adjustable DC power supplies. The scrapyard can be successfully activated. 20 yuan to buy a lithium battery for an electric car. How to use an adjustable DC power supply. Successfully activated at the scrap station and bought a lithium battery for 20 yuan. First of all, let's take a look. Multimeter. What is the current situation of this lithium battery? Positive and negative electrodes. I saw that there was no voltage. So let's hit the second head stall. Measure the cell voltage of the battery 3.1. The second block is the same. The third block is the same. It's all 3.2 at 3.1. We measured the entire 13-inch area. Because his battery is 13 inches. Level 3.1, level 3.1, level 3.2, level 3.2. Okay. After the measurement, let's measure the whole voltage. 38.942.2.2 onwards. We've gone through the protection board. He's out of voltage. See, basically, after 10 volts and 10 volts, this battery is going through this. I haven't used it for a long time, resulting in no voltage. The protective plate played a role in this board. In other words, the voltage of the protection board is too low. Well, so to activate the protection plate, it's going to be in a state of protection. Let's use an adjustable power supply, then activate the battery first. How to use it? First of all, turn on the adjustable DC power supply. Let's get this clip right. And this battery is 3.7 volts. Let's adjust the voltage of the DC adjustable power supply. The DNF can be adjusted to high. In general, this 4.2 state. Let's transfer him. 3.9 是 4.0 loss is okay. And then open it and flip it. Test these apps. This way. Well, the top is the positive pole. Below is the negative electrode. We added this clip to it. After clipping it on, I saw that it was already displayed. This has a voltage output. 4. 3.9 volts down to 3.9. 3.9 then 3.727 ampere battery. We put every battery on. Charge him for about 20 分钟 use. Fill it up one by one, in order. Everyone must remember to set an alarm clock with their mobile phones in turn. Set to 20分钟 use. Then just change it to another Swap piece for a piece. After 20分钟 use of charging, let's charge another piece. The next piece should be remembered. This level must be reversed. It becomes this side and then this side is the negative electrode. Then pick it up. After I picked it up, it's still level 3.7. 3.9 voltage. And then the current of the 4.3 charge it inside. After charging, let's take a look at this battery again. Is there any? Prepare for a successful activation. First of all, we need to use a multimeter. And then now, unplug this charging plug for it. Unplug this side too. After unplugging, let's measure the total current battery charge. 50.0 up. Then measure this opening and take a look. 50.1. That means normal, because after the protection plate and the protection plate, the voltage is basically the same as that without the protection board. That's a statement. The battery has been successfully activated. That's all for this video. If you have friends who like my videos, you can like and follow. Favorite forwarding. $20 to buy one. The lithium battery was successfully activated.